I'm going to be testing 8 different metals in a simple battery circuit to see which one will make the brightest light. So I'm going to try gold first. So this is gold. So you're slowly going to put it on the wire. There we go. So now you can see that it shines bright, but not way too bright. So it shines pretty bright. That's the gold. And then we have steel, a steel spoon. And that shines pretty bright as well. So it does work as well. And then we have silver. Silver does shine like pretty much like the gold. Yes, it does shine bright as well. And then we have a copper wire. It does shine one of the brightest. It is pretty bright, yes. And then now I did a little experiment in the beginning about a copper and a twisted copper. So this is the twisted copper. So now you can see, watch the twisted. I'm just going to put this in. So here is the twisted copper wire, and here the normal copper wire. So if you see normal, then twisted, the twisted copper wire is less bright than the normal copper wire. And then we have a pretty unusual one, which is a small lead of a pencil. A small pencil lead. Can you see that? A small pencil lead. So now, oh my god, it's slipping. Now you can see that a pencil lead does actually work. And I'll explain at the end why. Okay, and now we have aluminum. And I'm going to do a little experiment like the twisted copper wire and the just straight copper wire. So as you can see, if you put aluminum, so I'm putting the wire now very close. So it's really close together. Now look how bright it is. Now I'm going to put it a little bit farther. As you can see, the light is a little bit less bright. So if I put it closer again, you can see that's bright. Farther, it's less bright. And for the last one, I'm going to use a screw. This is a steel screw. Stainless steel. There we go. As you can see, the stainless steel is pretty bright. Just like aluminum, closer is brighter and farther is less. Okay, so now I'm going to give you some observation. So the gold works, but not as good as the other ones. As you saw, it still worked pretty well, but some of them were a little bit higher, but it was one of the highest. And then the silver worked pretty fine, but not as good. And the copper worked one of the best ones of all of them. And then there is the pencil lead, which worked pretty good, but this is a little fact. Pencil lead works really good because it has carbon, and carbon is a really good conductor. And then aluminum is good, but I observed that if you put it closer, it makes it a lot lighter, and if brighter, and if you put it farther, it makes it less bright. And then the screw was really good, and it was almost the same as the spoon. And this is because they're both stainless steel, but they do make a little bit of difference because they're different kinds of stainless steel. So I would probably use for my light copper wire or steel. Thank you. Bye.